Welcome back, my good people. I hope you guys had great holidays, man. Christmas and New Year's and Thanksgiving and all that stuff. It's time to get back on it. As you guys seen on the intro, quick little stick welding I was doing. I have been getting into that a little bit more, I guess, in depth with more of a purpose. Sole reason is I eventually want to be building my own turbo manifolds, hopefully sooner rather than later. I'm practicing right now. I've just been doing stick, but it is time to move to TIG this month. I'm gonna go get myself a generator this month. I'm actually gonna go look at them today. Purpose of this video, I'm gonna hop on the bike, go shop around, see what the kind of good range of a good generator is gonna cost me, just so I can draw some 240 out of it. So that's what's going on with that. That's what I'm doing today with the Mustang. The Mustang is still, waiting on part. Specifically, I'm waiting on my headers and the merging pipes and all that stuff, which is why it's pushing me to, get on this welding a little bit more. Hopefully eventually, summer, to be quite honest with you, is my goal, to start building my own turbo manifolds. And I got two turbos back over there, if you guys are new. I'm going single turbo for now, but I do got two turbos over there that eventually, hopefully, I can fab something up and put something on there. But anyways, that's, as it comes. That's what's going on with the Mustang right now. That's what I'm doing personally with that. And also, if you guys have been watching my videos, because I haven't posted as much, I've been busy with semis and AC, learning that trade from my father-in-law. So I'm trying to get that situated as well. So it's been going a lot of stuff, but the end goal is to get this boy running and to get this boy popping off very, very soon at the drag strip. So stay tuned, enjoy this video, and I'll catch you guys soon. Look who's here, Wayno.
Hey.
Unfortunately, I changed the name already, but it's alright. Still looks dope.
Hey.
He made that wheel big.
Yeah,
that looks
nice.
good.
I like it. It stands out.
Alright, Wayne, I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I was just talking to Wayno. I was going to go look at the generators, man. They're pricey, man. Basically, I'm not gonna get one because I feel like I can invest that money into something else I need. Yeah, I do need a weld, so what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna just add a 40 amp breaker, because that's what the welding manufacturers recommend. If you're gonna run 240 on that welder, you're gonna need a 40 amp breaker, and we're gonna need a plug. So the good thing is that Wayno, if you guys didn't know, he was an electrician in this previous life, so I know exactly what to get. We just ran down exactly what we need. I'm going to Lowe's, getting all the parts I need, and hopefully we can get started on that today, which I'm kind of putting the plug, and I'll show you guys when I get back. I'm putting the plug where I really M1 is going to be useful for me, and 2 is not going to require that much wiring or that much, craziness going on. Originally I was going to put it in the garage, but I made my welding room I have a den. I'm going to make that my welding room, where all I do is weld in there and grind and whatever. But let me go to Lowe's, let me hopefully find all the parts I need, and then I'll get back to you guys. All right, guys, what's up, man? So I like I said a couple minutes ago, I didn't end up getting the generator. In my opinion, it's just a little bit out of my price range right now. I would rather put that money into the turbo that I still need to finish. But what I did is, thank goodness, Wayno is an electrician. I know there's so much stuff. Let me move this stuff out of here. It's just a bunch of junk right here. Right here, that, as you can see, I'm not a professional welder yet. I'm literally using a plastic bench, which is kind of risky. But that's all I got right now. I am gonna get a metal bench, but I just need to get my setup first. So I have everything I need here. I have 6 feet of conduit, non-metallic conduit, so I can run my number 8 wires here, 2 hot in the ground. I got my plug here that connects to my machine. 240 plug there. I forgot what kind it is. I think it's a 650R. Can't remember. I'll have to look. Got the connector there, goes into one side of the conduit, and I got my other connector there that goes out of the breaker box, and then I have my breaker here. 40 amp. This machine here is requires a 40 amp breaker, so it should go in work well. That plug right there is what you see is gonna plug in into that new plug I got. It's gonna go right around here. According to Wayne, we're already kind of started looking at how we're gonna do it. We're gonna run the 40 amp breaker here. Just move this one here because I got an open slot there. Now I have both slots here. 2-pole there, and then we're gonna have to drill a hole through here. The wire's gonna come out through here, and then the conduit's gonna come right through here. Drill a hole right through here, all the way through here, and then that's where my plug's gonna be. So I got exactly 10 feet of wiring each side. 10 feet allow me to get to 40 because it's gonna have 2 hots, 1 ground, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna get that. I'm not gonna get started today. Got the day count caught up on us. It's already a little over 4, so we're not gonna get started with that today. Probably tomorrow. Start with that. I do need to get that thing in ASAP, so that way I can start TIG welding. And I need to get an argon bottle. All the little things I'm gonna get. I need to get a table. Just little thing, but I'm just getting essentials now, just to get started. Once I get started, start picking away at everything else. Got my helmet yesterday. Gonna try it out today. I tried it a little bit yesterday, but I was tired, so I'm gonna try it out today. Right now, after I get done recording this, weld a little bit more. Just stick welding right now, and then that's it, guys. Let's see. Yeah, let me weld, and then we'll get to it. Alright guys, if you guys saw the part when I was welding there, wear safety gear, man. Freaking nearly burned a hole through this shit right here. Luckily I had two. It didn't go through that one just yet, but it almost got to my skin right around here. Look at that. You know, I would have messed up all my tattoos that I just got, and I actually just got burnt actually right there. If you guys could see it right there, I'm gonna need to get that touched up again. That's barely still healing. That was from the last time. Again, welding with my father-in-law, welding without a proper cord on it. That bead just went right through my shirt and burned me. But whatever. Got a good little laugh out there because no one got hurt. But anyways, thank you for watching this episode, man. Mustang is gonna get turbo soon, man. I'm telling you guys, I'm busting my hump for it. And not only am I busting my hump, but I'm running that extra mile to get this thing ready to go. And not only that, but you know, like I said, get a little bit more income in this channel here, and that way I can build this thing a lot faster. And that's the reason why I'm getting into welding and all the other little stuff I'm doing. But stay tuned. What do I have upcoming next for this thing? Well, obviously the turbo manifolds is what we're waiting for. That's the big one. But while we're waiting on that, still got some down sound deadener that I want to remove. Like I said, I'm going all out on this thing. I'm doing whatever I can. Obviously, there's other measures of losing weight. Like I really would like to do the brakes, the whole drag racing brake. But that's over $1,000, and you know, I'm doing whatever I can, budget friendly. And sound deadener is there. It's just ready to be removed. So that's what's coming up next. Alongside that, only that, obviously got this 240 here. Thing is, I know it's not car related, but it is for the channel, for the car. So I'll be keeping you guys in tune with that once me and Wayne will get attacking that there. And those are the big ones. And other than that, man, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, man. Help me grow this channel. And keep on rolling, man. You guys have a good one, man. And take care.